Magandang tanghali sa ating mga Kaps diyan. Nakatutok ba kayo sa first ever listening party ng SB19? Magingay mga Kaps! Maganda ba ang gising nyo ngayong araw mga Kaps? Caps for Capsicum. Buhati kayo sa isa dali.
Kamusta yun ang people's live stream?
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Magandang
Wait
tanghali.
magpakilala muna tayo. Dali, uy, pinuno.
Kumusta po kayo lahat? Nandito po si Pablo.
Hi everyone, ako po si Estel.
Hello po, I'm Justin.
What's up? I'm Josh.
Hello everyone, I'm Ken.
And we are
SB19!
Yeah.
Grabe naman, buhay naman yung mga energy ng mga tropa natin.
Tanungin natin kung nagsikain na ba kayo? Nagtanghalian na ba kayong mga brody?
Kumain na ba kayo?
Mm-hmm.
Hindi pa. Nag-brunch. Ayan.
Nag-brunch.
Antok pa.
Alas 12 na?
Si Estel daw hindi pa kumakain kasi daw ililibre ko daw siya.
Ay, oo.
Yes.
Ay, guys, di ba naalala nyo, may ginawa kami, yung bumunot kami ng tawag, ano din? Photocard, di ba nabunot ko si Pablo, nahulaan ko, sabi ko ngayon niya ako ilibre. Yes.
Si Ken, nililibre din si Josh.
Pero anyways, usapang libre tayo mga Kaps, di ba? Usapang libre. Ngayon, dahil lilibre ako ni Pablo sa pagkain, ngayong araw naman, makakarinig kayo ng libreng mga tugtugin dito sa aming listening party. Tama ba yan?
Tama yan.
Libreng tugtugin para sa mga libre at single na kagaya nyo. Perfect.
Libreng tugtugin para sa 18.
A10? Parang mamali ka ng lyrics sa una, masama na yung A10.
Alright. Siyempre, ito nga, gaya nga sinabi ni Estel, it's the first ever Spotify listening party for a Filipino group. So maraming salamat for this.
Thank you Spotify for doing this for us. Well, Spotify in letter S!
Yes. Kaya naman guys, since nagsisimula na tayo ngayon.
Ay, tinuloy.
S. P. O. T.
Ay.
F.
Y.
Spotify.
Alright. Siyempre guys, gusto rin namin marinig pa yung mga reactions and thoughts nyo about this listening party. So share your thoughts and reactions using the hashtag SB19 SAW Spotify Listening Party.
Galing, memorize. Top 1 to sa class.
Walang script.
Secretary ka talaga dati. No?
Pero alam nyo ba, nabalitaan ko, nagpa-poll daw eh.
Nagpa-poll?
Oo, nagpa-poll. Oo.
Ano yun?
Nagpa-poll.
Paul dancing?
Hindi, nagpa-poll sila kung ano yung pinaka-favorite nilang tracks sa EP natin.
Oh.
At alam nyo ba kung ano ang nangibabaw?
Ano?
Yung ego ko. Hindi, ang nangibabaw ay wala because all of the above dahil gusto nila.
Oh.
Gusto nila. Pero alam mo, imposible yun kasi for sure meron sa puso nyo nangunguna talaga. Pero syempre dahil ganyan kayo, dahil 18 kayo, ayaw nyong may nakakalamang. Gusto nyo pantay-pantay lahat. Pero kaya, boys at the back, baka gusto nyo magsalita. Josh, Ken, ano, puro tayo.
Josh, hindi nagsasalita si Josh eh.
Yes, hello, Days in Reservation. This is Josh Cullen. How may I help you?
Wow.
Wow.
Pero naniniwala ba kayo na all of the above ay pantay-pantay gusto ng 18?
Hindi. I
Bakit?
mean, may sarili-sarili naman preference yung tao eh. Let's not lie to us or to ourselves.
Kung ikaw ba
Meron talagang
tatanungin?
nangingibabaw,
Pero
ha?
ikaw ka, Philip, kung tatanungin ka, ano ang para sa iyo ang pinakagusto mo sa EP na to?
Sa EP na to?
O sige, sa EP ng iba. Sa
Ako,
EP na to.
Time. Gusto mo yung mga very, maganda yung melody na kanta. Time, quick, mga ganun.
Ikaw naman, Josh.
Gusto ko yung mga pangit yung melody na.
Alin doon, yung 8 ball. Gagaling ka. Gawa po yun.
Ano nga?
Kasi lahat naman maganda eh. So,
ano nangingibabaw sa'yo, Ka Josh?
Nangingibabaw. Or baka ikaw,
Ano sa akin? Time tsaka
Time din.
Ikaw.
Ikaw.
Quit din. Lahat sa akin eh.
All of the above siya.
Ibig sabihin, yung tao, iba-iba kasi sila nakagustuhan.
Ikaw, Justin.
Ako, for today, gusto ko yung Shooting for the Stars.
Ay, kanina rin ginakanta ko yan.
Siguro nag-enjoy ka ngayon mag-long drive, no?
Parang
Shooting for the
yung
Stars.
feeling ko kasi ngayon parang bakasyon sa school, ganun. Hindi ko alam bakit.
Bakasyon na nga ngayon.
Kaya nga baka
Baka
yung
na-enjoy mo yung
katawan ko,
Parang
nakikilala
pang summer, alam mo yun, yung vibe.
baka na-enjoy mo kasi yung Shooting for the Star pakinggan kasi
Stars.
bago yung bago yung speakers ng car mo.
Ay,
Bago yung car mo pala.
Hindi naman.
Bago yung car. Kaya
Hindi
yun.
naman.
Naisingit mo
Kasi-
pa yun. Napakahusay mo talaga.
Hindi
Naisip
naman.
niyo pa yun?
Yun.
Ako,
Oh,
favorite
ikaw.
ko ngayon talaga, ngayong araw, doon ka din. Kasi kada scroll ko sa TikTok, doon kayo naririnig ko. Tapos kahit kakagising ko lang gumagano.
Sa YouTube ko eh.
Kumakaldag ako kahit
YouTube
kagising ko
ko
lang.
Di ba nakakolab nga natin si TJ, tinatawanan mo. Kasi, di ba prank natin siya na siya lang yung sasayaw.
Tapos sa medyo,
Huy, ano yun?
si Pablo nakatingin, tapos kumakaldag ko sa
Automatic.
Ako doon ka, ikaw.
Pero kanina, pinapakinggan ko yung buong album sa kotse.
Hmm.
Ano pa rin sa akin, Dam.
Dam pa rin
Kasi,
talaga.
yun talaga yung nakakapit sa
Iba talaga.
Iba talaga yung,
Yes.
this
Oh.
is ugly.
Kaya naman, saktong-sakto dahil na-mention mo yung
Again.
Huh?
dam.
Ano?
Ayun, sakto.
Oo nga.
Dahil na-mention mo yung dam,
Segue.
pag-usapan natin yung dam.
Ayan.
Pag-usapan natin yung Dam.
Ayan. 2 lines. Ano yung 2 lines?
Update ako sa akin. Did again.
Yeah.
Yung pag-usapan ko live.
Pero tungkol nga ba saan yung dam? Paano mo naisulat yung dam?
Hindi ko rin alam eh.
Feeling ko naman isa lang eh. Yung
Hindi, pero-
pinaka doon.
Kasi parang sa course ng paggawa ng music, hindi ko siya talagang outright natapos ko agad ng isang araw. Tapos parang fragments siya ng mga nangyayari sa atin. Pero ultimately, lahat naman yun papunta dun sa goal natin na gusto natin higitan pa yung mga ginagawa natin. So, yung mga struggles and everything, parang pinaghalo-halo ko. That's why very parang iba't iba, parang roller coaster pag pinapakinggan mo yun. Meron biglang ganda yung mga
Alin.
Tama, Josh?
Tapos
Tama.
merong,
Tama.
this is
Nautusan
ugly.
pa ako.
Pero parang yun yung pinaka-ultimate feeling is sanay na tayo sa mga nangyayari. Alam natin na parang kapag gumaganda yung takbo, baka may paparating na kakaiba. Pero ultimately, malalagpasan natin yan. So, yun yung dam.
Yung
Tsaka-
grabe.
Tsaka saktong-sakto yung line sa dulo nung dami. Sa ano talaga ng tao.
Ano?
Nangumpay sa paggusto! Di ba yung last line? Eh,
Yeah.
lahat tayo, pagka meron tayong na-achieve, gusto natin ng bago.
Mm.
And lahat tayo ganun. Kaya naman,
Yes, grabe
Then
ang
again.
dambalasik
Oo.
na eksplanasyon na ating pinuno at ni Estel. Kaya naman,
dahil lahat tayo ay walang humpay sa paggusto, ito ay sure na magugustuhan nyo.
let's all listen to Damn. Are we live?
Yeah, I will.
Ayan!
So we heard that there are
But before that,
yeah.
that was Damn by us. By us.
Of course.
Because we are SB19.
Yeah. So we heard that there are also listeners from different parts of the world.
Yes.
So for today,
Wow.
we'll try to speak in English so that it will be understood by many. Yes. Oh, wala nagsalita.
Okay. So, yeah, our album is So. S-A-W.
Yeah, that's
So.
right.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
If you like it, so what? So you just heard them, and please share thoughts using our hashtag for today. Hashtag SB19 SAW Spotify Listening Party. Yes. Again, thank you so much for joining us today because we are the first ever local artist to have this listening party, and we are very honored and grateful to be doing this with Spotify
Yes.
Philippines. Thank you so much.
Wow.
And right now,
Let's talk about
we are going to talk about the next song entitled Time.
So Ken, you said earlier that your
favorite
favorite song in the album is Time.
Yeah.
So why not share
Your thoughts.
thoughts about
Share
Time?
my thoughts
Yeah.
about time. Time is very, very relatable to a lot of people, and it really
Yes.
resonates
yes.
with a lot of people, not just in our country, not just in the Philippines, but for sure, definitely outside the country too, because like people been through a lot of like struggles in life, so I think it's very, very relatable, and it's very heart touching, heart wrenching kind of song.
Yeah.
That's why I really love that song, because of the the lyrics and all that.
And you
So
can
let's play that.
and you can also watch Time music video on in anywhere. You can watch the music video anywhere you like. Just watch it and feel the song. And if you want to listen to the music, go to Spotify and listen to it. Yeah, stream it. Yeah. And because of that, we are now going to play Time.
It's time to listen to Time.
Yeah.
Yes, and that was Time.
It was really
No.
good.
Yes.
Thank you
That
for
it
your time.
was SB. Ganun kasi yung time eh. Tumitigil-tigil yun.
Oo nga, no. Oh, that was nice. And now,
It's our Kuya's time.
yeah,
It's his moment.
the man behind, the man behind Justin. Ano, beside. I'll go,
Yes,
Josh.
the man
Introduce
with
the
the
next song.
The man who can't be moved.
Well, yes. Did you enjoy Time? Your time.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow.
Because they're...
So basically, the next song that we will be playing, hindi pa pala. Well, yes, actually, yes. The next song that we will be playing is all about well,
Heavy 8-ton is.
ano?
Basically, it's about like how heavy an 8-ton ball is. It's like 8,000 kilograms.
Okay, correct. Okay,
Correct.
So it was all about our visions and our struggles, and yeah, that's it. I made it with another producer. He's a famous producer, and our workflow was very seamless, and I really enjoyed making it.
Yeah.
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 Ayun lang. Ano sasabihin ko? So,
Yeah.
Yes.
Introduce the next
So,
song.
yes.
oh,
Why
yes.
not read some questions? I am reading a lot of
Oh, yeah.
Sob and
Oh.
Josh Cullen.
Kaya mo yan.
High snowball. Yes.
No, not snowball. 8-ton ball.
8 snow town ball. All right. So, without further ado, do we do that?
Without further ado, and a 3. No. Let's all listen to 8-ton ball.
Ngalay na ngalay.
All right.
Yeah, and that was 8-ton ball.
Like compression on the ground.
Yes, swerve.
Na-enjoy nyo ba yun, guys, yung 8-ton ball? If na-enjoy nyo,
Of course they enjoy that.
mag-send kayo ng mga emoji ng balls.
Like swerving as well.
Meron di ba emoji yung basketball?
Yeah.
Diba?
Eh, maganda sila.
Oh my God, you guys.
Billiard na ball, yung black.
Ayan, ayan. O, tignan mo natin sa emoji ng balls.
Yeah.
Yung number 8
Yan.
na ano,
I really
billiard
enjoy the
ball.
song.
Yes.
Yung swerve. Diyan kasi swerve kayo ng swerve.
Yeah.
Yes. Right now we have 15,500 listeners. So,
Alright.
For sure
For the-
ako.
yes, for the newcomers, you wait lang.
Naalala ko.
Okay, for the newcomers, you can share your thoughts dito sa ating listening party by using the hashtag SB19 SAW Spotify Listening Party.
Yeah.
Yes.
Excited na ako na ma-perform natin yung mga songs natin sa concert. You wanna know why?
Why?
Kasi yung setup ng stage natin merong mosh pit. So talagang magsisigawan, tatalunan at sasayawan tayo dito. Can you imagine?
Gagano ako sa stage, so, hey, back up.
I think my long time dream will happen in this concert.
Yung gusto mo mag-ano?
Stage dive.
Stage dive.
Pero walang tao sa
Pero sa barricade, bagsak mo.
That's fine.
Okay na sa'yo. Imagine yung choreos ng mga songs na to. Naku, imagine niyo lang. Kasi wala pa eh. Imagine niyo lang.
Sa ano pa, before the...
Mag-aaral kami ng choreo, mismong concert. Before we step on the stage, we will learn the dance. But yeah, for the next song, ako excited ako dito sa song na to. You wanna know why?
You tell me.
Because,
You tell me.
Come on.
you wanna know why?
Yes. Why?
Why?
Tell me.
Why you wanna know? Hindi, kasi itong song na to is something That's new for us. Different genre for SB19, and I think a lot of our casual listeners also looking forward on us doing this kind of genre. Yeah, so that's why we are here with the creator, with the writer
Yes.
of this particular song entitled Donka. No, entitled Quit. Quit. So I'm very excited to ask some questions. Ken, can you say something about the song?
I already explained time. I think it's Justin.
So what's the main reason? Yes.
Never quit.
Oh yeah. Short but
Never say never.
yeah, short but
quit.
never say never.
Actually, kama yan eh. Di ba meron tayong period?
Quit. Na-joke na
Quit
yan.
naman.
That's
Quit. Wisit ka talaga.
Ayan.
Yes. But you know what
yeah.
quit means?
Yeah, what?
It says that we are all equal.
So?
Quit.
Quits.
Ikaw talaga, Justin. Ang quit-quit mo talaga. Anyways,
All right.
we're excited for you guys to hear this song, and to our 16,000 listeners right now. Again, thank you so much for joining us today. But before anything else, please do enjoy this song entitled Quit.
Don't quit.
And that was Quit.
Bye.
Us. Because we are SB19. Wow. And we are back again, guys. Because we never left.
So, this is our first time doing a rock song.
Yeah.
Um,
Bakit nga ba?
I don't know.
Because ever since
Bakit nga ba?
we're doing
Tell me.
paper songs.
Kasi nga, baka siguro. Baka napapanahon lang.
paper, scissors.
Baka napapanahon lang.
Yes.
But it was a good first try.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yun na yun.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, for the next song, why not talk about it, Pablo?
Hindi, siya sa Dungka.
Okay. So who's gonna talk?
Ikaw na ganun.
I think, let the 18 talk. Sige,
Okay.
kayo mag-explain. Hindi, for
the stars.
yeah, for the next song, Shooting for the Stars.
Siguro,
Mm.
quick trivia lang. This song was supposed to be in Pagtatag because it was like showed to us by August beforehand. That
Ito yung
time.
kasabay
Yeah.
nung...
So I was thinking if this will go sa Pagtatag.
Tsaka August na sinuwi, no?
Yeah, but I thought Freedom was the better choice
Pagtatag.
during that time. So yun lang.
But
Yes.
nagma-match din yung mga songs talaga. Parang per era, per EP, meron silang anong tawag doon? Meron silang
Counterpart. Yeah.
each EP. So parang ito nga ay talagang super match.
But when I first listened to this song, even though that it has a very vibrant vibe, it made me cry. Somehow it felt like yung era natin nung Go Up.
Ito yung
The same vibe about dreams, and also yung bridge part where we go silent tapos very solemn yung pagkanta. It wasn't supposed to be that way, right?
We change it.
We changed it to somewhat like an intimate
Ganun ba?
take,
technique?
Yeah.
ayun lang. Kinanto ko.
Yeah, but
Malaking impact.
yeah, we hope na whenever you listen to Shooting for the Stars, always remember na everyone will have their special moment and their perfect timing, and you will also shoot for your star. So, yeah, i-shoot nyo lang ng i-shoot. Yeah. So, this song is Shooting for the Stars. Shoot mo ang ball. Let's go.
Yes.
And that was
Shooting for the stars.
Amen. Yeah.
Okay.
Kala mo ibang amen, no? Amen. Yeah. That was Shooting for the Stars.
Yes.
Yeah.
How was it? Did you like it?
Grabe, no? Napaka-inspiring, no? Na-inspire ako eh. Parang gusto ko na umalis nga ngayon eh. Gusto ko na gawin yung mga star. Anyways.
Hirap magsalita kasi...
Again, hello to our 17,891 listeners.
Lapit na
Grabe.
tayo sa 18,000 for 18.
Di ba sabi mo 810?
810.
Yeah, padagdag tayo ng padagdag. Malapit na tayo sa ating 810,000.
Yes, 810. Wow.
Yeah. Kakatuwa naman. This is our first time doing this and parang we are very hype up and excited lalo sa mga mangyayari sa mga susunod na araw and of course sa aming Simula at Wakas kick-off. Grabe. Super excited.
Pero bago yan, of course, for our newcomers, you can share your thoughts using the hashtag SB19SAW Spotify Listening Party. So we can read it sa ibang platforms.
Ay, sabi nga, trending daw number 1. Tama ba? Trending number 1? Busy siya, pero yes. Oo. Yes. Yeah.
And now we're down to our 6th song. It's called Dungka.
Ooh.
Oh, Dungka. What does that mean? You tell me.
Dungka just means that you're poop.
Ay, hindi. Pero kasi 'di ba yung the word dung? I think in I don't know in English other language it means poop, no?
Yeah.
Anyway.
But
So for the 6th song, syempre we wouldn't finish the whole EP without a party song.
yes. Dapat meron.
So for this last track, it's a party track. Just a quick story. We made 4 demos. Me and my brother made 4 demos, but this track was the only one na nag-caught ng attention namin. So, we were thinking about something very naughty and like kind of like an earworm, and that you will like keep hearing when you first heard the song. So, ayun po yung naging parang paano ba? Naging dahilan kung bakit Dungka yung track na yun or yung beat na yun yung napili ko na pang 6th track. The song is basically about
doing what you want.
Yeah.
And telling people if you don't like us, then go away.
Go away.
Just like Dora.
Swiper, no swiping.
Yeah.
Yes. So Pablo said it's something naughty, so it might be a coffee naughty.
Coffee, not me.
Tung 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 sahur.
Cappuccino,
ballerina. Anyways, yeah. So the next song is Dungka, but before we play the song, again, thank you so much for joining us. We are now we have 18,198 Spotify premium account listeners. Thank you so much for joining us today. But yeah, again, we are very excited to see you guys on our upcoming kick-off concert in the biggest indoor arena in the world, Philippine Arena. Yeah. But yeah, that will be on May 31 and the day 2 on June 1. If you have time, please do buy tickets for the day 2 concert. It's still available. Just search for official SB19 or SB19 official. But yeah, this is We Give You Dungka. Let's go. Wow! That was Dungka!
Dungka na dun.
Huy!
Yes. And syempre,
So you just
dahil
okay. Go.
Ano?
What are you going to say?
May nag-request o acapella daw.
Stop it.
Hindi, tinabi ko lang. Wala sa atin naman kung gagawin natin eh. Pero no, sorry guys. Ayaw nila.
So you just listen to the whole Simula at Wakas EP by SB19.
Yay!
I hope you guys enjoyed the whole experience, and please use the hashtag
SB19 SAW Spotify Listening Party. Thank you so much.
So after listening to the album, maybe your thoughts will be different now, because when we first started, they said that in the poll, they all
like the songs.
All of the above.
Yeah, it's
so now comment the song that you really like from the EP Simula at Wakas.
But if you like it all, there's no problem. But if you have like favorite one.
All of the above pa rin. Meron quit, meron time, meron dungka, meron...
Oh yeah.
Yes.
And of course, for those who haven't availed our concert
Yes.
for day 2, it's still available.
Yes. Yun nga.
Go.
We have our concert, Simula at Wakas World Tour kick-off on May 31 and June 1. Yung June 1 po ay still available.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can visit our social media accounts for more details. But if you are lucky enough, watch out for the giveaway from Spotify.
Uy, there
Something special to look forward to.
Yes. Grabe.
I'm
no?
so excited din kasi grabe nung pinakita to tapos pinresent, grabe kinilig talaga.
Oh yeah.
Spotify.
Yes.
Iba si ano, si
May
Spotify.
pag-giveaway.
Yes. So yun yung dapat yung abangan.
At hindi lang yun.
Alam niyo gusto ko na magsalita parang
Ah.
tigilan niyo ako.
Kasi may malupit pang kailangang abangan na pasurpresa si Spotify. Na very exclusive dito sa Spotify.
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa
Ito yung
inyo.
talagang hindi ko alam eh.
Huwag mo na sabihin, Justin. Maawa ka, please.
Ano sabi Pablo? Anong lasa? Hindi ko alam eh.
They speak English. There's a lot of like people from other universes watching.
Yes.
Listening.
So, yeah, stay tuned for another experience from Spotify
Yeah.
this coming May 23.
Ooh.
It's a surprise. So,
Do you have any idea what's that?
I have.
I
Well, I don't want to share.
I think it's something
don't wanna miss a thing.
very
Juicy daw.
interactive.
They said spill the tea.
No,
Spill
we
the
don't.
tea.
TEA.
Spill the tea.
Yes, you just
Yeah.
spelled the T.
Yes.
Hey,
That's really
but
great.
you have to. What you have to say it first? Spell T. T-E-A. T.
Yeah, amazing.
Yes.
Life changing.
Wow.
Yeah.
So save the dates, May 23. And of course, we just want to reiterate, June 1, the second day of our concert is still available. Please do watch the show.
Yes.
Mhm.
Again,
Yes.
thank you so much everyone for joining us today. We have 19,116 listeners right now. Again, thank you so much for listening with
That's a
us
lot.
today. We really enjoyed our time with you guys, and we hope that you really enjoyed our EP. And please do share our music with your friends, families, and your loved ones. Yes.
Dogs.
If you
Cats.
liked what you listened to, watch us in our concert.
Yes, because we will be
Yeah, we're very
performing
yeah.
everything for the first
Yeah,
time.
of course,
Yes.
there's no better experience than experiencing the music
Yes.
live.
And we're very excited to show everything, especially the
Yes.
choreographies
The-
of each song.
The visuals,
The
the,
visuals,
stage,
the production and everything.
the
It's
surprises,
really, it's giving
special performances by SB19.
Special people.
Yeah. So
Yes.
that's it, guys, for today.
Yes,
Again, thank you
thank you.
so much.
For
And
tuning in.
we hope you enjoyed your time with us, and we hope to see you again next time. And again, thank you Spotify for doing
Yep.
this with us. Thank you so much. And yeah, have a great day, everyone. Thank you. We love you.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Yes,
Bye.
bye. Again.
Spotify listening party.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thank
Bye,
you.
guys.
Thank you, everyone. We
Thank
love
you so
you.
much. Love you all.
Wow.
Tralalu, tralalu.